Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, my name is Yan. What's your name?
My name is Anna.
How old are you, Anna?
I'm 9 years old.
And how are you today?
Yes,
How are you? Are you good?
Yes,
Are you good? Are you good or not?
ready.
Good. Okay, very good. So let's have the second part of your speaking test. Okay, look at this picture. Okay, so these are the children at the park. Okay, what's this?
It's balloon.
Balloons. What's that?
It's a tree.
It's a tree. Very good. Okay, look at this girl. She's holding balloons, right? Okay, what is she wearing?
Yeah, and
She's wearing
yellow hat,
yellow hat.
yellow t-shirt,
Okay, very good.
blue skirt, and yellow shoes.
Wow, very good. So complete. Okay, look at this boy. Okay, he is jumping. Okay, okay. This one. The girl. Okay, what color is she wearing?
I'm wearing a pink dress
Pink dress
and blue shoes.
and blue shoes. What is it?
It's a bike.
It's a bike. Very good. I'd like you to look at these pictures. Okay, which one is the lemon?
It's here.
Okay, what's the color of that lemon? Color?
It's yellow.
Okay, I'm putting the lemon under the bike. So what can we say now about this lemon? The sentence. What sentence can we make?
Lemon under the bike.
The lemon
The lemon
is.
is under the bike.
Okay, very good. So can you please put the lemon on the tree? Put the lemon on the tree. Okay. Now where's the lemon?
The lemon is on the tree.
Okay, very good. Now which is the school bag?
It's here.
Okay, very good. What's the color of that school bag?
It's green.
It's green. Okay, so put the school bag under the balloons. Under the balloon. Okay, so what is the sentence?
The school bag under the balloon.
Okay. Okay, what is this?
It's a t-shirt.
Okay, t-shirt. Now, put the t-shirt next to the bike. Put the t-shirt next to the bike. Okay, so what's the sentence?
The t-shirt knit in the knit to the bike.
Is next to the bike. Very good. What's this?
It's a slide.
It's a slide. Now put the slide near the boy who is jumping. Okay, so what's the sentence?
The
Slide is.
near the boy is jumping.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. That's correct. Now let's go to the third part of this speaking test. What is this?
It's a bus.
Okay, it's a bus. Do you go by bus? Do you go to school by bus?
No,
No, yes, I do. No, I don't.
no, I don't.
Okay, so how do you go to school? Is it by bus or motorbike? By motor bike. By motorbike. Okay. What is this?
It's pizza.
Pizza. Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Okay. What's your favorite food aside from this pizza?
My favorite food is ice cream.
Ice cream. Okay, what's this animal?
Animal is sheep.
It's a sheep. Do you see the sheep on the farm? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay. What is it?
It's a bookshop.
Bookshop. Very good. How many bookshops are there near your house?
There is one bookshop
Bookshop near.
near the house.
Okay, that's it. Very good. So let's go to the fourth part of this speaking test. Let's talk about you and your family. Okay. How many people are there in your family? How many?
Four people.
Okay, 4 people. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Young.
Okay. How old is he?
He is 36.
36 years
Yes.
old. What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Jing.
Jing. How old is she?
She is 36.
36 years old.
Yes.
Okay, have you got a brother or a sister? A brother or a sister?
My brother.
Okay, have you got a brother or a sister?
Mm,
Brother or sister?
no, I have.
You do not have. You do not have brother? You do not have sister.
No, I haven't.
Okay, okay. So, is your mother's hair short or long? Your mother, is her hair short or long?
It's soft.
It's short. Let's talk about your house. Do you live in a flat, an apartment, or a house?
It's
I live in
in
a,
the
is it flat, apartment, or a house? Is it in a house? House, okay. Do you live in a big house or small house?
This is big house.
Okay, I live in a big house. How many bedrooms are there? Bedrooms. How many? One, two,
One bedroom.
one bedroom. Is the TV in the living room or in the kitchen? The television. Is it in the living room or in the kitchen?
Living room.
In the living room. Thank you so much, Anna. Okay, so that's all for your speaking test. Thank you and goodbye.